Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Diaspol and thank you so much for all your likes, comments, share and subscribe to my channel. If you are a new viewer, definitely go to our channel, watch all the videos, and if you're liking it, then hit the subscribe button to be a part of this big family. For the ones who want additional services, always WhatsApp 7892652481 is our customer care number. Always WhatsApp them. So in this particular video, we will be seeing few of my trades and profits and what are the charges applied for those, so that most of the people who think that trading with a larger capital, a lot of brokerages will go. So I'll just show you that also, and I'll show you a few of my trades which I have taken for this particular week and a few logics behind those also. So this is 22nd, that is Friday. If you're not watched that video, you can watch my this live trade vlog. 42,500 profit we made. So on that 42,500, around 241 rupees has gone only for the brokerage. So only 241 rupees has gone, and rest 42,258 rupees is in my pocket, right? So therefore, that was the one trade, Apollo Tire Jan futures. Okay, so always understand, few people have confusion. Okay, the buy value is 11 lakh. So did I invest 11 lakh? No. So it was around 3 lakh something which you saw, right, in the trade. So it is futures, normal order, not a leverage order. It's a normal order where you get 2 to 3 times or 3 to 4 times depending on the stock, you get money. So that's how I've got this. If I would have taken intraday, I would have got some 10 times, 12 times, 15 times also. But I've taken a normal order, and then I've got 11 lakh as my buy value, whereas I've just invested 3 lakh in this particular trade. Okay. So that was more about that brokerage. But anyways, I'll just show you the week, how the week went. This week was very good because of my Friday's profit, which is big. So if you see on Monday, I booked around 13,000, and then on Tuesday, I booked around 5,800 one trade, and Wednesday there is no trade available here, and Thursday I booked a good 37,000, and then Friday again 42,000. So these two was a game changer for me for that particular week, which made my overall week's profit a better one. So all are normal orders which I have taken. So let's say I booked a profit of 99,400, almost a little bit 600 less than a lakh. So charges are around 1,687 rupees. Okay, so still I have 97,000 in hand, and these are my trades. These are the stocks which I have taken. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 different stocks is what I traded in that particular week, and these are the profits which I booked. So if you see Apollo Tires, I booked 3.79% on the stock. Okay, it's not on the capital, it's on the stock. So that's the reason I got a big profit here, and followed by, I think, UPL is 1.52%, right? So this is how this particular week went, and the charges is minimum compared to the profit what you're giving. And that's what I say, in futures the brokerage is comparatively lesser. So I prefer more of futures, because if I hold my CNC for tomorrow, day after tomorrow, then I have to pay a bigger brokerage. You can check in Zerodha brokerage, and most of you guys would have seen my videos about that explanation. So these were the things, and there are different logic used in different trades. Few trades I've taken based on top gainers, few stocks I've taken based on intraday gainers, a few stocks I've taken based on from 2 days it is closing above in green candle. Few stocks I've taken based on 3 days the stocks is closing 2% above. So every stock has a different logic here. Now you cannot ask me what logic I'm going to use tomorrow. Okay, so if I get a stock, I may trade or I may not trade, or I may use a different logic which you don't expect. But all that comes by experience, because if you learn one method and if you apply this on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it doesn't work out for you. So based on the situation, you need to react. So stock picking, anybody can help you by picking a stock, but after picking a stock, what and all calculation should be done, how to manage your risk, how to, when the stock goes against you, what are the actions to be taken, what is your mindset, all that comes by experience and practice. So that takes time, and that's why I use a different logic in different stocks. So every time I use something, there'll be a different thing added to it. But before to this, I keep experimenting and learning a lot of things. So those learnings and experiences helping me to take decisions. So these are the decisions what you see in green. Thankfully, the whole week was in green. And not even this week, even the previous week also, nothing went wrong. So let's say 11th to 15th week also, Monday to Friday went good. All the calculations and predictions went right. So Monday, Tuesday, I didn't take a trade, and that is when Thursday, Friday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, right? 3 days. I've taken trades, so decent profit of 28,000. Charges of 400 rupees has gone to the broker, no problem. Not just broker may take a small amount. Again, it goes to the government and all those. But anyways, I'm doing a business type, so I'm paying my charges and I'm making my money. Just 3 trades for that particular week, a decent good percentage on the stock. So on the stock I hit 1.33%, not just 0.3, 1.33, 1% and 1.97%. So that's how this is ITC Feb future, ITC March future. So ITC is like a there is no much competitor for ITC. So fundamentally, this company is like it's a bet on somebody. It's like a bet for us. So there is areas where which you can take advantage on ITCs whenever it goes for a rally, upward rally. In technically short term period, it keeps going up and coming down, up and coming down. So during that up moment, I just took advantage on this Feb future and then ITC March futures, expecting if Feb gets stuck, March is where I can hold till March ending, right? So I just experimented with these 2 months and both were successful. Just one lot, if you see, I've just taken one lot. Experiment just with one lot, so maybe like 1,70,000 or 2 lakh rupees required for this particular trade. So that was more about that week, decent profit and no much losses. So 3 days is what I traded in that particular week, all intraday trades itself. I take intraday trades, and the first week and the week which I started trading for this year, like you would have seen my first trade video, that was on Wednesday, then Thursday, and again Friday. So Friday is what I booked. So that week I made around 40,000 in 3 days. Okay, after taking the first trade for the month of Jan, I booked 40,000 and around 1,600 went as brokerage and 38,000 in hand. So on Friday I booked a 0.3% loss, that was on UPL. So if you see here, I booked a 0.3%. Whole day I waited, the stock went. I was expecting 1% movement on the stock as per my prediction, but like every time it's not the way you think. So it went against me and I booked a 0.3% loss on this particular trade. It's good to book a loss, so I booked a loss, and moreover it was not a normal order. It was a MIS order, so I couldn't hold my position. So therefore I closed this position the same day, end of the day it didn't move. So I just booked a 0.3 small loss and I just closed the trade. Apart from that, other stocks 0.6, 0.17, 0.26, 1.74% is what I have booked. So that particular week, so overall in the month, I made just one loss, and that too I booked a 0.3% loss. Thankfully, this particular year, no week went wrong. When I say went wrong, it's common that you get a negative, one or two negative in the week, but overall your profit is what you need to have. Even if you have 1 rupee green, that's a good sign. But sometimes first week, second week goes good, and then third weeks you do something wrong, and all the profit what you saw becomes in red because of 1 or 2 trades, right? So luckily my 3 days also, I mean, if the whole month till now, let's say today is 24th, so whole month is in green. So if you see, everything is in green, just one day went wrong. So this week is green, this week is green, and this week is green, and hopefully this week should trade carefully so this month becomes green, because this was the first day of the month which I traded, the first week of the month I traded, which is profit, and this is going to be overall the first month of the year 2021 which should be in profit. So that's just a belief what I keep, mindset. So these are the trades. Overall, if you see UPL, what loss I made, I recovered in other trades. So if you see the breakdown, so I made that 0.3%, 150 paisa loss, and then I recovered in other trades by booking 539 and 47, almost 6 rupees more than 1% I booked. But overall, the stocks, you see, everything is in profit. So the loss on the stock, I recovered on that stock also. Overall, all the stocks are in green, and overall the month is currently green. So 1.68 lakh is what I am in this particular day, and charges of 3,700. So comparing to this number is nothing. Even if you have a hotel business or any business, 3,000, I don't think so you will get a rent also. At least 15-20,000 you need to give for rent, electricity and many other things, whereas here you are giving only this one, right? So it looks very attractive, but the end of the day, to come to this level you need a lot of experience. That's what I try to teach in my personal training also. It's not about you learn something from me and you become something. You take time, and few people become successful, few people improve, few people take a lot of time. I have taken a lot of time. It's 8+ years now, so I've taken a lot of time, and that's what I'm seeing is a progress in mine every day and every week, right? So this was just for motivation and just for understanding that yes, if you slowly, patiently, with some knowledge, if you try, learn, and trade, you can make some money in the market. I'm not saying you'll become rich, but you can make some money from intraday. This money, if you don't reinvest into investing, that is when you will not make any money. So you have to reinvest this money, have a plan. Either you're buying real estate or you're buying some mutual funds or some long-term stocks. If you don't invest this money you keep spending and you don't do anything. Okay, so money should make money. So whatever money is gonna come from here, you need to reinvest, or else what will happen in February, something goes wrong. Like last year, corona came and many things went in February and March. Something comes like that, whatever you earned in the month of January will go off. Okay, so all these are from my experience, and I keep learning, and I always tell I'm not an expert. I keep learning. You've seen my journey from almost 4 years, and if you've seen some improvement in me, and most of the people would have been following me for that. So this was just for motivating you guys. And a lot of people are stuck up. Whenever they make a loss, they don't come back. They think market is bad. No, when you make a loss, you need to think in a different way, that market, there is some scope for improvement in yourself, and there is something which you can learn and make that area better, right? That's how you can challenge the market. That's how you can learn day by day, and it's a long process. So if you keep learning, and instead of, like I tell, don't put money, do paper trading. That's the reason. If you don't lose money, at least knowledge will increase, and after a few months to years, then you can start investing based on your capacity. Anyways, this was just for motivational purpose only for everyone. My trades, and I keep doing vlogs, so this is one of the video just to show you guys how a day trader's week or month goes on, thought process goes on, and a lot of calculation goes behind these things. Anyways, thank you so much. I hope you guys are learning a lot of things. Patiently learn, take a lot of time, and let's learn a lot of other things. So anyways, thank you so much. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.